Today we're reviewing Ruwac's handheld food grade kit. This is a nice brush kit. It comes with a universal brush kit. It actually has 3 pieces. It's going to come with a triangular piece. These are all high visibility blue food grade bristles. It comes with a nice round dust brush. This dust brush, you'll notice that the bristles won't suck in. So under our powerful vacuum, you're not going to have to worry about the bristles sucking in and getting in the way. So you have full suction around there. And then you also have our rectangular tool with nice stiff bristles that allows you to clean and also let air flow in. The tool comes with a single adapter. The adapter is either going to be made for an 1.5" hose, or we have one that's made for a 2" hose. So make sure that you're ordering properly. You order the one for your correct hose. Once you have the right adapter, you simply push the tool on, and away you go. When you want to change the tool, you can easily change the tool. The nice thing about this type of tool arrangement is once you put the brush on, let's say you're doing some cleaning and you need a different arrangement, you can simply turn the brush. Now you can get into hard to reach places. So it's a universal tool that allows you complete flexibility as you're using the system, whether you're cleaning around equipment or on the walls or the floors or even up overhead. So this tool has got many uses for it. It's a highly popular tool of Ruwac's. It's our handheld food grade vacuum package.